I want to do 1 week in JFK and 1 week in New York Airport, since those two are like the major airports. And here I am back in the Mule, and as you can see, I have no more baby car seats in the back because it is now officially a plated and inspectioned TLC car from New York City. Look, let me show you guys the sticker. See the sticker right there, and the sticker in the back there, and the other side. So yeah, I finally got everything done on it. She has her insurance, she has her inspection, she is 100% ready to go. Right now I just did the Uber sign up, so I'm just waiting to get approved. It should be like in like 20 minutes or something, because I did it through an agent, so it's way faster than doing it through online. So now since I'm not approved yet by Uber, I can't really do Uber now, so I'm gonna go home and sign up for Lyft and Via with my NKT, aka the Mule. So we'll keep you guys updated on how I do. I mean, it's the same thing, and definitely I'm gonna update to see how much is the pay for Via for the crossovers. I hope the agent that told me the prices were not lying, because it's pretty good. So now I'm gonna do more projects. I am looking forward to do personal projects of mine that I always wanted to know, because I don't see information of this online. Like, for example, like waiting in the airport queues, right? Some people say do not do it, but if you go to the airport, you see a lot of people in the queues. So it must be doing good for some people, you know. I want to do 1 week in JFK and 1 week in New York Airport, since those two are like the major airports in New York City and New Jersey. So stick around for that if you want to know if it's still profitable. Just stay tuned. This is your boy Kumatata. Let's go. Grind time. Peace.